No way. Swisher did. My buddy Swisher. My buddy Swisher. He called the cops on me. No, I can't do that. When I break the law, though, I will, Marie. Thanks. You have a good day, Marie. I should leave. Here we go. Here's a cop caller. That was a cop caller, everyone. He said he's gonna get me out. You touching my stuff, sir?
What you doing? Can't have you in here with this backpack.
Hey, let go of my stuff.
We're gonna wait till the cops get here.
Yeah, we are. So, what's his name?
What you trying to do, man? What you trying to do? Trying to kill with me? Come on.
Let's have it go outside. Let's go outside.
You gotta get out, man. You're scaring everybody.
No, you can't put your hands on me, clown.
Don't call me a clown.
I just did, clown.
They were trying to headbutt me, bro.
That's great, because he's going away.
I ain't going nowhere.
Step outside, sir.
Actually, I don't.
Get your ass out.
What?
You over here trying to scare people? Man, don't be trying to...
Hey, settle down, man. Do it, son.
Stand back, stand back. What you want to do? You want to dump? What you got in the backpack? What you got in the backpack? I'm trying to headbutt me, man. You can get off me, bro.
Hey, sir, get over here. The depth's coming. Sit your ass down.
I got your stuff. You can go, all right?
The cops are coming, just so you know. Yeah, good. Sit your fucking ass down. Then get out of here, then.
Oh, here's one for you, too. What do you want to do? Do it, son. You already did it.
What do you want to do? Why are you scaring everybody?
I do shit what you like, clown.
Why are you here for?
Just ask for a backup.
I don't know why you have to be here starting problems, all right?
I started problems. I put hands on people?
We
Is that what I did? Did I put hands on people?
How many times did I ask you to
You're telling people you're going to steal their soul.
Oh, no. I stole your soul.
You have a permit to be here filming?
I stole your soul.
You have a permit to be
made
here
the biggest
filming?
mistake of your
Don't
life,
put your
son.
fucking head in
See how slow you are, son? Yeah, back up. Do what you're told, boy. Back up.
Just,
Boy.
hey.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Hey. Shut your face already, dude.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, bro.
Fuck you. Here's some more
That's
fuck
enough,
you
all right?
for you. Fuck you for you. Yeah, where's my phone, you thieves?
It's right here.
Right here on the ground. Don't fucking come back.
I'm coming back, clown. You're coming back, clown.
You've been instigating stuff, all right?
Shut up.
You're done.
You're done. And so is this tough guy. You're done too, tough guy. And here's the loudmouth of them all. A Torres, like he's somebody. Public safety. Oh no, sit my ass down? Is that what I have to do, A Torres? Is sit my ass down? Huh? Sit my ass down, A Torres? Is that what I have to do? Yell it some more. Yell it, you were screaming it earlier. Sit my ass down. Ha, that's enough.
You're just instigating now. It's enough.
Shut up. Shut up. You're gonna learn real quick, Swisher. So is this fire clown over here.
That's enough.
Shut up. Yeah, you're gonna go away in cuffs too, buddy. Yeah, we will see about it. We absolutely will see about it. Stand inside. Do as you're told.
Settle down, man.
You settle down. There's a guy, everyone, right there. Yeah, just wait for the cops there, buddy. What an idiot. There's a tough guy, though. Seriously, that's the guy. Look, everyone, he broke my equipment, too. He slammed me to the ground over here on the outside. And look, he broke my equipment, everyone. And here's the guy. Here's a tough one. Sit down, I said. Sit down. Sit your ass over here. Come on, you're not going to yell it now? Oh, no. Torres, what happened, buddy? I thought I had to sit my ass on the ground, Torres. So look, this is what he did to my equipment, everyone. He just broke all my equipment. He broke my freaking microphone. He just broke my microphone. He broke my rig. Shattered my phone. This is good stuff, everyone. Here, I got to record my phone to show everyone that he shattered it. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Here's the sheriffs, everyone. Perfect. They actually weren't here, so they don't know what they're talking about. Swisher was here, and the fire guy was here. So you guys can tell all the stories you like. There he is. There's the guy. I'm pressing charges for battery right here. This guy. Don't let this guy go. Don't let that guy, I understand, but don't let that guy with the fire hat go.
Just give us a minute, okay? We'll talk to you right now, okay?
You're in big trouble, sir. You done fucked up. Where's Torres? Where's the tough guy? He was sitting there yelling and screaming, sit your ass down! Torres, you're almost tough. You're definitely tyrant material. You should join the sheriff department, Torres. You're a little short, though, so that's why you weren't too intimidating to me. Even with your wannabe Batman belt, you still weren't that intimidating. If you grow up another 6 inches, you might have a shot, though. Oh, man. You're walking a little close there. No, well, you can have a shot of the title if you like. Yeah, don't worry about it. You're not a cop. Go away. Did you see that, everyone? He just broke my shit. This is Commerce. It's the City of Commerce, City Hall. After I said it in the video, somebody rewind back to that. Spin it all you like, sir. It's all on film. He's saying something about it was for his own safety, that he came out and threw me on the ground over here for his own safety. It's a PPA for battery.
Come over here.
Well, my equipment's over here.
Well, grab your equipment. Bring it.
It's all broken. I'm gonna leave it there so I can take pictures of it.
Okay.
This guy slammed me onto he slammed me up against the wall in there.
Do you have anything on you that you're not supposed to have?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna check you for weapons just for my safety and all my partner's safety, okay? Relax your hands. I'm gonna just take this off, okay? Like I said, this is just for weapons.
Hold on, it's on tight.
Hold on.
It's on tight.
Taller than me, so you're gonna elbow me in the face. Hold on.
Here, I'm gonna grab this phone so I don't drop it. Okay.
My partner's gonna grab that for you.
Thanks.